So, Jamaica at the baddest podcast. Shotty, big up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. And who new subscribe, not change. Yeah, right now, I be a drama. You mean to tell me, say, Foota hype, this your thing gone now, brethren? Batty police, batty chief, batty sheriff, batty protector. Yo, them a say, yo, you see the cruiser fly down the road with a brown siren light on top of it. Right? And when you look at Foota hype strapped down in it, batty police, judgment. Me can't make up these people. Now we switch bad curly locks forward. I say Foota hype, a batty sheriff. Protecting batty. What go on around here? I that them funny thing, Watching people batty. No, brother. That pass shaky. When I figure change in the life. So Jamaica bun them in a. So curly locks I say. Him not understand what really wrong with Foota hype. It look like say Foota hype get touch up. Cause him obsession with batty. You understand? Curly locks I say, it look like say him used to have one of them people around him did a misdeal with him. You understand? I know this virgin does confuse and abuse the world. These was not my words. These is words of curly locks. Right? Because it's very weird, virgin. If you see, a man does stay up on one topic. Batty. How I go on? Foota hype, how we are work for superhero? Well, the man I say, who don't know the struggles as being a twin. If your next virgin do something, your brother do something, and you get blamed for it, it's just that bring virgin. The man I say, oh, 2 lakhs if you have an interview, and when the interview finish, are twins have twins. So basically, the man I say, you know, I'm bat you up a twin, and him in that something there. You understand? So, people, what do you think? Curly locks, dash 2 lakhs under the bus. Cause him say, him a left him under the bus, Him have to learn. You understand? Cause certain territory you don't need to go. And as we can see, it never did turn out too well. I'm bridging. Sometimes you need to stop fight certain things. You see, I say the podcast where the idea I do. And it never did turn out right. And you try it again and it not turn out right. Is a reason it did go like that. You understand? Now, you have to understand, bridging. When them say you reach in the lake or pan, or down a sea, when you reach out a sea, you're not good again. And curly locks I say, him not even got Elsha, brother. So some man fear come fish up him thing. And I drive around cruiser and I try to adapt people. How I go on? People is strange. Drop it in the comment section. You think Foota hype gone too far with that one? Yeah? Now we switch part. The man will unfollow I don't know. So this man are basically depend on a rant. As something personally the virgin have against Jeffrey. Because you can't tell me say you go eat everybody over Jeffrey. Something personal did the virgin. Did Jeffrey fuck one of your girl Foota hype? We need to know, because this no make no sense, virgin. You understand? So, make we see who else will be getting them song deleted and getting unfollowed on social media sites. Can't have remember, if Foota no play on the music, on the naga bus, So, you might want to think about that. Because member say, Foota hype is one of our the top gatekeepers in a dancehall. And don't get it wrong, the podcast is enough style Foota hype, this Foota hype. Big up Foota hype. We are doing a real thing over here and we are talking how the thing go. So, and that's how we think there. And we have to point out the every. Because we not take side and we are not yes man around here. So, I don't know about nobody else, but me know me definitely. I'm a yes man for no guy. You feel that? Know that. Yes. And we also, serious part, L.A. Lewis link up with the big boss, Bright Light. And also expose Sir P. Again. Boy, Sir P. Be a tell you get yourself in a brother. No. This a drama, people. Right? And if this really goes so, right? Here it goes again. The man a king. So, it has been said, the reason why, allegedly, where L.A. Lewis has said, the reason why Sir P dedicate him whole channel to bring down Cartel and him empire is basically cause Cartel, being the top gallus as him is, slap a one of Sir P thing them and breed it. Can't make it up. So, people, me didn't think say Sir P a alien. Me didn't know say Sir P come from land as I heard. You see me? So, that means that if you boss slap with your girl, you have to spend your whole time. Allegedly, that's what them say here, sir. I try to get out the virgin. So, basically, what L.A. Lewis I say is the government I try to do them thing and them say, yo, right, like business stand up at the original thing this and the people them love the service. You see it? And them I try to come up with them one thing and the only way to be the first person where you go to, I forget out the man. You understand? So, our politics behind the thing, people. And you have to know what go on, drop on the comments, on the feedback, and all of these great things. And subscribe to the channel. You see it? Because several out there are doing things as usual. You know what I mean? And right now, several, they're on a mission to expose Sir P. The man that says Sir P, youth born and they never see Sir P, a jacket and tie Sir P have over there. I don't know. So, you tell me, say, Sir P, have a youth over there with music potential can drop out some song, brother. Because if I'm a Sir P, pitney that in a musician that in a brother. Ja. Now, people, them thing I really go so for real. I saw the guys a boss did a step in the road. That's all. Them man that thing get slapped like that. Judgment, L.A. Lewis, if your news real, me I tell you, brother, you mash up the internet with that one. Yeah. Bad. Top gallus. Yeah, man, and we also switch part reggae and dancehall superstar, legendary Shaggy. Speak a speech about current state of dancehall, you understand? And how it a go and how successful them new youth is. And him congratulate TJ. Big up yourself, TJ, for the drift. You know? And sure say, yo, me never did know say Shaggy was a part of that too. So, you know, you learn something every day. So yeah. With that said, now people, where boss really I say still is reggae music, dancehall and a whole right now. You see, people have to understand, say time change, things change, so music have to change with time. Right? Some people want dancehall music and reggae to stay in the same old stage where it did in a. You understand? Well, we all know say people love authentic things, but with time things change. And you can't have the same old stuff. And Shaggy basically I tell them, say, yo, the old sound there, it gone. You know? That just was that era there. Enough people can't leg off of that era there. Say he gone. You understand? Live with what go on and make it best of what go on. You see, even Shaquille Murray forward and he never rubbed Shaquille Murray to right. And Shaquille Murray drop a speech and say, yo, right now, Virgin, we need to keep that real authentic sound they going. You understand me? Which Shaquille Murray is actually right too. Both of them is right. You understand? But the thing is, if you already have something with legendary, why would you want to tamper with it? Make it stay with there. You understand? And just move with what current. But then again, drop it in the comment section. Was Shaggy wrong? Or am right? Because you have to remember, how much artists I got the places where Shaggy go. Are even be as successful as Shaggy. How much artists? Not too many. So for a person like Shaggy can forward and I tell you state of what going in a music, I think people should have well listen. You understand? And stop getting at them ego and them personal beliefs and just listen to the people them who are go around the world and entertain people and then we tell you what people them want. Because at them are entertaining people them and I see where the people them are move and I react to. So me not think him wrong. You understand? And as what I go say, big up your listeners them, viewers and subscribers when I don't know. I love straight. Continuously subscribe, drop on a comment. You see me? Yeah, I just say go. And if you want to see anybody in my comment section, I go and like say them out of line. Deal with them. We done chat. Hey, I don't know it go. Roll up my spliffer now. Jaja. Yo, next thing, quick public service announcement. The channel I grow right. But people, step up on the subscribing. Keep smashing the like and drop on the comment. I saw Jamaica this. The Dr. Bird just take off. Looking at the sky. Jamaica. We great like that. Big up on yourself. And subscribe and share the channel. Share the content. Love we say. That is the key. Art of love. Never forget that. When some other podcasts out there go on with them every, we say art of love. Big up on yourself. We done chat.